Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to move sections on Wix. If you're designing your website and need to rearrange the layout to improve flow or prioritize certain content, this simple process will help you reposition entire sections with just a few clicks. And if you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. First, go to the Wix website and log in to your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. On the left navigation menu, click on Site and Mobile App. A drop-down selection will appear with different options. From here, click on Website. This takes you directly to your website management area where you can access all your site's settings and design tools. From here, you can preview the website settings you currently have. Make sure that this is the website you wish to move a section on. It's always a good idea to double-check you're working on the correct site, especially if you manage multiple projects. This step ensures you won't accidentally make changes to the wrong website. From this page, locate the Design Site button. You'll typically find this on the top part of your screen, usually beside a pen icon. This button is your gateway to the full editor where all the design magic happens. Click on it to proceed. You will now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where you have full control over your site's layout and structure. From here, look for the section that you wish to move and select this section. Sections are usually clearly defined blocks of content, like your header, services, testimonials, or contact forms. Click directly on the section you want to reposition and it will become highlighted or outlined, indicating it's been selected. Once the section is selected, you'll notice an action menu on the right part of it. This menu contains several options for managing that section. Look for the Move Up and Move Down buttons. These buttons let you move the whole section in just one click and position it exactly where you want it on your page. If you want the section higher up, click Move Up. If you want it lower down the page, click Move Down. You can keep clicking these buttons until the section is in the perfect spot. This makes rearranging your site layout incredibly easy and intuitive without needing to drag and drop or rebuild anything. And that's it. You've successfully moved a section on your Wix website, giving you full control over how your content is presented. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.